that...
What do you think? You're not bringing recording devices past this area.
I'm Lieutenant Moore with the Sheriff's Office.
Good to meet you.
Not exactly how you made it past. You can film all you want.
It's okay.
Well, if that's not what you're saying, I'm going to go ahead and access my public services.
You're not going to go in with a camera.
Hey folks, we're at the Blount County Justice Center in Maryville, Tennessee today to exercise our First Amendment right to film in public places. We got a tip that there's an unconstitutional sign barring filming in the public areas of the Justice Centers. I'm going to fill out a public records request to see what's behind the policy and potentially challenge it. I'm going to do my best to obey the Constitution and the law and not film in courtrooms or restricted areas, but I will film anything I can see as a member of the public coming to access services. So let's get into it. See any signs on the door? Just business hours till 4:30.
So you won't be able to bring the recording devices in here.
Why is that?
Because we nothing stated.
I'll talk to you.
You cannot bring it.
Okay. What is this? Tennessee Assembly? Oh, cool.
I'm challenging the court's jurisdiction over me. My case is tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
Oh boy, that's exciting.
Yeah.
Are you?
I just gave them a $80 million bill.
Oh wow. Well, best of luck to you, sir.
$77.5 million that they're gonna owe me.
All right.
Have a good day, sir. We don't allow recording devices in the building.
In no part of the building?
No, sir. Right here, but that's it.
So is there not?
It's there, we turn them back in.
So is there a clerk here for public records requests, like court clerk in this building?
I can get you to one, but you can't bring a recording device.
So you'll bring them to me?
No, sir. You leave those back in your car where they belong.
The First Amendment of the Constitution protects our right to
Sir,
film in public
in
places.
this building, you cannot bring a recording device.
I think you're incorrect. I think
I don't
that.
care what you think, you're not bringing recording devices past this area. This is per our chiefs, per the judges.
Oh, great! That's what I'm here to ask about. I'm here to make a.
Security. So
You're
you
right in here.
yeah, you're welcome to come
Okay.
in this area.
All right, thank
You
you.
can't go past the metal
And of
detectors.
course, those are closed offices. There's
Okay.
Public access, if you wanted to go in there, they can
Yeah.
give you a key for that.
Okay.
Okay, at that window there. And you can come up to security.
Okay.
But you can't go past security with any kind of video devices, phones, cameras, or anything like that,
Mhm.
without prior permission from the judge themselves. And it has to be 48 hours in advance. Okay?
Yeah, that is
So-
the state court rule requires 2 days advance notice to film in courtrooms. Absolutely. But the publicly accessible areas of the building, if the public can
that
get services
includes this
there,
entire area past
please,
here.
may I? If the public areas of the building where the public is able to access services, they have a First Amendment right, click first conduct, turn to first driver. There are a lot of case laws that say we have the right to film in public areas. So that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to go to the clerk's office. I'm here to make a records request and to film the process of doing it.
Okay, and at the other courthouse, and that's totally and completely acceptable. For this one, Judge Dugan is the
Well,
one that
I
is
heard.
administrator over
Okay.
all the rules for here. So petition to him directly to get permission to go past security with your recording devices, please.
Okay, that makes total sense. So let me ask some additional questions. There's no signs on the door. There's no policy posted anywhere. Can I see the order or policy that Judge Dugan has written or signed?
I don't know
I
that I
don't know
have
that
it
read. I'll be
ready.
honest with you. I don't know. I'm the sergeant down here.
Yep.
I don't. Let's move out. Let's move over here just so we're out.
Oh yeah, sure. Wherever's we can move it. This seems out of the path here.
Folks are-
Yeah.
Now, as far as where the written policy is at, I don't have. I'll just be honest with you. I don't have it in hand.
Oh, okay.
But it's been our policy. Anything past this, and it's already with our. And I know you've heard this before.
Mhm.
This is obviously the first time doing this.
Not the first yet.
Right here.
I don't know where it's at, but our county attorney actually has one of these cases
Mm-hmm.
they're working on right now.
Okay. Well, that's what I'm here for, is to make a public records request. I want to find out everything about this policy. And
You're more than welcome to come in, but you can't pass this security point up with the cameras and phones.
All right, thank you, sir.
so
Until we get clarification, okay?
Okay, so what will happen if I try to?
I'm not here to make the law, I'm just here to enforce what rules we have.
Well, you're here to enforce the law, sir. You're a law enforcement officer, not a rules enforcement officer. So if the judge's policy is unconstitutional, you really shouldn't enforce it.
Well, that's something you're gonna have to take up. That's a court thing, not with us.
Well, I would like to access the clerk's office. I would like to access public services. What'll happen if I try to go through security with the cameras?
That's fine.
What will happen if I?
You're trying to bait me.
I am. I'm trying to get you to say that you'll arrest me for trespassing if I walk past the security.
Somebody saying that.
Okay. Well, if that's not what you're saying, I'm going to go ahead and access my public services.
You're not going to go in with the cameras.
I don't understand what you're saying. So
You can stand here and you can film all day long.
Okay.
But you are not passing this security point up with phones and cameras. It's as simple as that.
That sign has no legal power, man. There's nothing behind that sign. If you say it's a judge's order, let me see the judge's order. Let me see the policy so that I can challenge it.
Request and challenge it. That's fine. This is not the way to do it.
It is. I have the right to get the information here right now. I have the right to.
Here, I'll step back here and see if I can find it for you.
Okay, yeah, I'll wait. I'll happily wait right here.
I'm just telling you, that's not the way to go about it, the way you're trying to do it.
No, I disagree. Respectfully, I have legal business here, and I would like to complete my legal business for a public records request.
Try to find that.
If you're willing to bring the clerk to me, that's fine.
I didn't say the clerk. I'll see if I can find that paperwork.
Okay, well, whoever I can make a records request with.
And the only thing I'd ask is you just wait over here.
I'll stay out of the way.
I mean, you can anywhere in here is fine. Just don't interfere with my deputies or people.
Yeah, absolutely. Don't intend to interfere with anybody.
That's fine.
Just want to do my own business.
Slide over out of the way then.
All right, sure thing. I'll make sure I'm not in anybody's way, not block anybody's path.
But like I said, you're fine. You can stay inside. You don't have to go out.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. I'll just stay in this area. Yes, it's like court records. There we go. Friendly reminder that they're recording us, although there always seems to be a problem with us recording them. Oh, still learning the gimbal. There we go.
Oh, okay, so you just went out and then now you're coming back in. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's wonderful. Well, there you go. Oh my gosh, this is now everything. Can I help you, sir?
Yeah, I was trying to access some records, but not court records. Records about the recording policy in the building. Somebody from security was going to get somebody to help me.
Okay, all
So
right.
I was just bored in the meantime. Have a good one.
Yeah, just on Tuesday.
Well, we got a minute. Do you mind if I go ahead and get your name and ID number, sir?
What you can
I'll
read
just
right
write
here
it
is
just
all
straight
you
up.
can
What's that?
get. My name's not important, but what you can read right here is all you can get.
Okay, tell me if I get too close to you and you get uncomfortable, sir.
I'm uncomfortable.
All right, I'll take a step back. J. Traxler, and do you have a number on there?
That's not.
There's no number on the badge? I guess not. And do you mind providing your name and ID number?
Janice Postel, 442.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I reckon so.
Well, go ahead and take care of your business.
Okay.
And the only thing I ask, I got some clarification. Like I said, everything's with the county attorney already.
Sure, yeah.
just waiting on an answer.
Okay.
But on some of the stuff, but go ahead and do what you need to do. The only
Okay.
thing I ask is we've got 2 courtrooms going.
Yeah.
Just stay out of those courtrooms.
Yeah, no intent to go in any courtrooms or any restricted areas or anything like that. So, okay.
Go ahead and just make sure you don't have any knives or.
No, I have I got a car key.
The only thing
And
your
a-
bag now, you will have
Okay.
to put your bag up for me.
Okay, yeah, that's
Phone
fine.
Stuff out, we just don't allow the bags in.
All right, can I just leave it here with you, or?
No.
Okay, I can put it in my vehicle.
Because
Yeah, no problem. All
I
right,
don't know
thanks.
what might be in here, bro.
Okay, no problem. I'll be right back. I'll put the bag away.
All right, so make sure you got it.
All right, thank you. Okay, we're back. No bag. We're gonna head through security. All right, how you want to do this?
So put your,
The cameras over here.
put your cameras over here and anything out of your pockets.
Okay. I think I caught some of that only on the body cam, but they gave me directions. They said probably the 3rd window on the right. So that looks like general sessions. We're gonna go check it out. So we got circuit court clerk. And he said the 3rd, maybe general sessions. Let's see. Hi. How are you doing this afternoon?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I wanted to make a public records request regarding the no cell phone, no camera policy in the building. So it's like apparently an order from the attorney here, or maybe a judge's order. That security, they said this might be the right place to ask about it.
I'm volunteer. One of our administrators will be up in a minute.
Okay, all right, cool. I'll just hang out right here.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.
I like those decorations. That's really cute. Happy fall, y'all. I like your decorations.
Hey, sir, I'm Tom Hatcher. I'm the circuit court clerk.
Hey, how you doing, Tom?
Nice to meet you. What's
Tyler, good to
what's
meet
going
you.
on? What's the deal?
Well, so I heard that cameras were not allowed in the public areas of this courthouse, and I believe that the First Amendment of the Constitution protects people recording in public areas.
I don't know anything about that. I don't have anything to do with that.
Great. So
That's the judge's rules and the sheriff's department, the ones that do that.
And that's why I'm here,
So
is to
that's-
make a records request
Yeah,
for the judge's rules. So who would I make that with?
That's just something that they don't allow, and they enforce it out there.
Well, certainly there's a piece of paper somewhere signed by
Are
somebody
you
that
with
says,
a newspaper?
I'm an independent journalist.
Okay. Is it on a case that you're going to court on? Now,
No.
there is a form, there's a form that you can fill out for it to be allowed in the courtroom.
Right, yeah, no, I'm aware of that, and
It
there
has
was the
to be-
advance notice and
but
stuff like that, yeah.
We have to have the case that you're gonna be going in about and those kind of things and stuff.
Right. Well, specifically, like you said, when I came in, they told me I couldn't record here. Now, obviously, I'm recording in here right now.
I don't care whether you court or not, I'm just
Sure.
telling you what we can do, but
Well, I
that
just-
has to be filled out and turned in, and then it's sent
Right.
up to the judge whether the judge approves it or not.
Right.
So-
But what I'm looking for is whatever policy says you can't come in with the camera and
That's,
film here.
I
If
don't know
that's
where you'd get, you'd have to talk to either the security with the sheriff's department or.
does the judge? Are you the judge's clerk or that made the order,
I'm
or how
clerk
does
of
that
all
work?
of the courtrooms, yes, sir.
Okay, but
All the courts.
so that's what I'm saying. Shouldn't there be some kind of judge's order about that rule?
They don't have
There's
to
not.
know, that's just their recommendation or what
Okay.
And you can't have one in the courtroom unless it's got to
Right.
do with specific cases.
Right,
So there's no-
pre-approved, right.
So there's no cameras allowed in for courtrooms and stuff.
Right. But so in the public areas of the building, as far as
I
you
don't have
know, there's
anything
no.
to do- I don't have
nothing
anything to
with
do
it.
with that.
Okay.
That comes through security for the sheriff's department.
Okay.
And I think,
And so is the sheriff's
Captain,
department?
I think Chief Cantrell is over all of the security and stuff, so that's probably
Okay,
who you need to talk
that's
to.
probably who I need to talk to. Do
Yeah.
they have a office in this building?
Yeah, right up there. Go past that monitor.
Uh-huh.
And then the door on the right.
Okay.
Go in
All right.
there and ask for him.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your help. You have a good
welcome.
afternoon.
You too.
which side I'm going to here. So I was told there's a policy about filming in the building, a judge's order. I'm trying to find that judge's order, and the court clerk told me that security is in charge of the sheriff's office is in charge of court security and policies. So I don't know.
Give me 1 second.
Sure.
The front let you through?
They did let me through. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give us 1 second. Hold on.
Okay. Sure. Excuse me. Is this the right place to make a records request about employees of the sheriff's department?
What kind of request are you wanting?
I just want the name, position, and salary of everybody that works security in this building. What's that? A fan of my YouTube channel told me that they had a no filming policy in the public areas of the building. So I came down here and they tried to stop me, and I told them it's my First Amendment right, and they went and talked to an attorney and let me in. So.
Check out the covered up record of 1994 when one of the judges that's still on the bench had a fatal DUI, and it was his fourth charge.
Yeah, that's a common story in Tennessee. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Just got the public record
Yes.
form for you. If you'll fill out that it's to the sheriff's office records, and then your information,
Okay.
and how we can get in touch with you, and then what you're wanting. Basically, you can describe what you're wanting here in detail.
Got it.
And then this is just basically if you want to look at the record.
Right. There's no fee if you view in person.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Okay.
So that's just where you can put that information, and if it's something that I can send you via.
Yeah, email or whatever. Yeah, emails. I'll put my email address down there. That's the easiest way. So,
Perfect.
could I get a second copy of this? Just a clean copy, just to keep.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Hey.
Hey,
Good.
how's it going? Yeah.
Good. I'm Lieutenant Moore with the Sheriff's Office.
Good to meet
Not
you.
exactly how you made it past. You can
Okay.
film all you want.
It's okay.
It is okay?
Yeah, it is okay. They went up and they spoke to the judge.
Okay.
And the judge said that so long as he doesn't go into any areas that are confidential or in any of the courtrooms, he does have permission to film what he's doing right here, right now.
Okay.
He's attempting to get
Okay,
permission
that's fine.
to go to the courtroom with it at a later date.
Okay.
I did have a question though. So they told me there's a policy that you're not allowed to film past security. I wanted to see that policy written, who signed it, what's the authority behind it? Is there like a record of the policy?
That's what chief and sergeant are working on.
Oh, they're working on that right now.
Yes, that's what
Okay.
they're
I'm
working
sorry.
on
I'm
for
sorry.
you
I
on your
misunderstood. Okay.
Yes,
Thank you very
thank
much.
you very much.
All right. Cool. Thank you. I'll sit down and fill this out and hand you one back.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
No problem.
All right.
Wait for a record.
So there we go. We've got our records request in my chicken scratch for the name, title, salary, and fiscal year 21 total compensation for all department officers who work security at the Blount County Justice Center. All right, and then we've got my email up there, which is also in my chicken scratch. All right, thank you very much.
Oh, you're very welcome. So, all right, let me make sure.
Yeah, and I have bad handwriting, so.
Yeah, no, that's right. I didn't say yeah, no, because of your bad handwriting. I'm just saying that's one reason I look over them
Yeah.
to make sure I can read. the
Yes,
email
no, I
and
appreciate
stuff.
that. I appreciate that.
Do
East
you
T
want
and
to-
News Stories
Yeah,
at
do you
Gmail.
want to put a phone number where I can reach you? or would you prefer
That
just
Gmail,
email?
yeah,
Okay.
that'll do. Yeah.
All right.
Does that make sense?
Yes. I was trying to figure out if it's a record I can release, or if I'll have to send it over to the courthouse, the main payroll office.
Yeah, it may be.
Yeah, I can definitely
get it
we'll
to the right
start with
place.
me and we'll get it, and I'll be kind of the middle person.
Okay.
To get back in touch with you.
Awesome. And what's your
My
name?
name's Pam.
Pam?
Comer. Yes, sir.
Pam
Comer. It's like
Comer.
Comer with a C.
Gotcha. Thank
So
you very
I'm
much.
here in the records office, but I'll be glad to reach out to you in just the next few days.
Okay.
Let you know.
Thanks. Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Okay,
You guys
no
have been
problem.
great. Thank you. All right. Oh, yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Do you have your ID that shows that you're a Tennessee resident?
Yes,
Sorry,
I do.
let me just look at that since I don't have your last name.
Yeah, I just put the email. I try to put the minimum if I can, but I do know I have to prove I'm a Tennessee resident, so I brought it in with me.
Okay. All right.
All right. I'm going to wait and make sure we're all done this time.
I'm sorry. We're done.
Okay, thanks, ma'am. Have a good afternoon. Yeah, did we find anything else about the policy? Hey, have we made any progress on finding out about the policy?
It may not be an immediate thing today.
Okay.
Let me finish this real quick.
Oh, sure, absolutely, absolutely.
That should be it.
So let me, I sent Sergeant a text telling him that you were still waiting for the policy.
Yes.
You know, which may or may not be readily available
Okay.
in paper for you to have.
Okay.
So do you want to stop back by tomorrow, or do you
I could
want
give an
to
email
give
or
an
something like
email?
that, yeah.
I can take your information and then get that to you.
Okay.
Because I have seen that as well, and I was trying to look for it when you were mentioning it earlier to see if I had it on my phone.
Right.
And your name, sir?
You can get my email at easttn. All right. And I hope to hear from you soon.
Have a good day.
Thanks. Have a good one. Oh, no worries. You're just trying to do your job. I understand. Thank you.
I dropped that, I apologize.
Oh.
That's the media guidelines. It's
Okay.
what you got to do in the rules and regulations.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, Rule 30. I know this one.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
That's what we go by. and
Gotcha.
That's what the judges go by.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Thank you very much. That's it for today. When I get that email, we'll see. Maybe I'll have to come back. But thank you, guys. So that's it, folks. I keep accidentally turning off my DJ Osmo, apparently, but we filed our public records request after a little bit of resistance coming in the door. I gotta admit, that one security guard was pretty hostile. Not sure how I feel about that. I guess I told him at the end I understood, but I'm not sure that I did. So anyway, so we see that you can in fact film in the public areas of that building. They just don't really want you to.